This is the conveyor bypass system that we are creating for a local brewing company. What will happen is over here, the original conveyor system goes in an S shape along here, and then it'll curve over and be alongside that end of the conveyor over there. What we are doing is that line that is already pre-existing is for 4-packs. This will be a line for 12-packs. So when they set it up for that, we will put this arm over the existing conveyor to stop the 12 packs as they come in. Pusher will then push onto conveyor A, which goes down the line to where conveyor B sits, which then pushes it onto, or pusher 2 pushes it onto conveyor B, which goes down at the end there, where the third pusher will then push it back from here onto what would be the existing conveyor line so it can go into the rest of the shipping process. So what we have here is it is a pneumatic pusher. There is a proximity sensor set right at the edge of the pushing plate, which it has this backing on the side here so that as it goes forwards and backwards, the box can't get jammed inside here and get stuck on anything. And there's also a photo eye. So when the prox sees the plate and a photo eye sees a box, the pusher will push and extend it out to the next one. We also have 2 1-horsepower motors here running it so that with all these cans it can keep up if it does get a lot of backup. A lot of it's running on back pressure. In here, this is the panel we built. And we really packed it in here for this one. We've got just a 24-volt power supply. We've got a Click PLC with its power supply, the PLC, and an extra input for all of our sensors. Circuit breakers for both of the VFD drives here and here. The VFD drives are what power the motors, of course. And then down here we got all of our terminal blocks, as well as a couple relays that help determine which circuits are on, and then our disconnect in there as well. So yeah, we maximized the space that we have in here. Just a little bit extra left over. Up top, very simple, power button, start button, and an e-stop. Yeah, so, and then we have our master air cylinder over here. Gotta make sure it's got air to it right now. So what should happen here is if I turn that on and I hit that, it's waiting for the start button. But you hit the start button, both of them fire up. They have a 2-second delay here, so it's really quick. One of the features that we built in here was these sensors here are for if there's a backup. So if we got 5 or 6 boxes backing up, the problem would be if it backs up all the way to the back here, and then the pusher pushes another box and starts crushing everything. So with this sensor here, if a box were stuck on the line and it sits there for 2.5 seconds, 3 seconds right now, it stops in line. But as soon as that box moves away, it starts back up again. So it will stop and wait for an operator to come over and clear things off, and then get going again as soon as that has been taken care of, or as soon as that pusher pushes the next couple out of the way. Now, just putting a box in there quickly. Yeah, gee, guess who's our local brewery we're using. But so as of right now, it doesn't go all the way on the plate. It would need like 2 or 3 other boxes behind it to push it on. I'm just gonna push it on here so we can see. There it goes. And I better hurry. And oh yeah, I forgot to put that out there. So, yep, so that one would wait. This pusher, I don't have the photo eye set up because I don't want it throwing them on the floor, making a mess. But that is this machine and the process it goes through.